back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm Joan. Today we're doing Papa John's in honor of John Pappas and Cookie Pappas. I don't know, but it's so sad they have a YouTube channel. Their daughter, his daughter Stephanie Pappas, has a big, huge following on YouTube. They passed away on September 11th in a car accident. So, I thought I would do Papa John's in honor of them. And I've never eaten it here before. So I got some barbecue wings, garlic knots. I have this thing. It's a papadilla. I got it with green peppers, meatballs, and onions. This comes with a garlic sauce. And I think it's their last video they did together, Papa John's, with this toppings. So let's open this up. Let's see what it is. I'm probably not gonna love it because I like the toppings better than the crust. So I'm probably gonna love this. I did that pepperoni meat lovers or whatever one they have. And it came with some peppers. I really don't eat those peppers. And it came with some garlic sauce. I've never had garlic sauce, so I have no idea. I'll probably use some of that to go with these garlic knots. Let's open this up. Give me a fork. Let's open this thing up. Oh. It's kind of like a pizza sandwich or something. With another thing of garlic sauce. Okay. I'm gonna try this. This is what people are reviewing and saying they don't like. This would be really good if they had some linguine in there, fettuccine. I asked it to be baked normal. I'm glad I didn't say overcook it because I had to cook it overcooked. I like it. Water. This is honor of Stephanie. She only drinks water. I wish I could be that good. I got my Dr. Pepper on standby. All right. Yeah, I've seen Stephanie raving about this garlic sauce. So let's give it a go. That is good, Stephanie Pappas. I think I tried some of this one time. The Little Caesars pizza, because that's the only pizza I usually eat. I are so overpowering of garlic. That is really good. I like that. Mm. I know I got a lot of food, but it is a special occasion. Hold on, I want to get me these chicken wings. I like that. This is very good for people who cannot eat flour. I love it. I really do. Big piece of sausage, it's delicious. If you're like me, Donald Trump, we don't even like top stuff our pizzas. All right, let's look at these chicken wings. See how you open up this container. Fancy container. Well, let's see. Let's try one without blue cheese. Oh, there's saucy too. Hard to see who's got the best wings, Pizza Hut or Papa John's. Today is going to be just eating day, so it won't be storytelling day, okay? Let's try some more of this. I like it. That's so flavorful. I've seen other videos of people eating that. It's like, how can you eat that god-awful stuff? But that's delicious. Well, how healthy it is for your cholesterol, but for your arteries, but all I can say is live like you're not going to live tomorrow. You're living for today. You don't know when you're going to go. If you hadn't seen her video, go over Steph. I think it's under Steph Pappas or Stephanie Pappas. And watch her video. She'll tell you how her father died. It's so sad. He died September 11th. I found out about it on the 13th. Sit down. 11, 12, 13. Today's the 15th. Come on, sit down. Excuse me. We're gonna try some of these chicken wings here. Then I'm gonna try that thingy in there. All right, let me. I'm just going to take one of these out. Let's try it without any sauce. It tastes like a pizza sandwich. One thing I didn't like about it, they only let you put choose 3 toppings, fillings, or whatever you want to call those. Oh, this one has, I'll think of it, barbecue sauce, meatballs, green pepper, and cheese. I think this loudmouth. Cookie was an English Bulldog and Beagle mix. She was so adorable. You know, I always take my doggies for rides. This is quick. This is not like a big time, 15, 20-minute story. I'm just saying, I've been having this feeling. Don't take your doggies riding. Don't take your doggy riding. You might get an accident. With him and his dog getting killed. His wife was with him. She walked away without. I don't think she was injured. I don't know if I'll ever take my doggies riding with me ever again. But it's nice. It was his best. I hope they bury them together. I think he'd probably want that. I don't know if they put the dog on top of him or at his feet or cremate the dog and put it with him. But I think he would probably like that. I hope they do. When I saw her post Tuesday, I thought it was a joke. You know, some people put these clickbaits. I was like, it's like a clickbait. It's a joke. It's like, I just watched a video of them. You know, just a few days ago. And they were just leaving her house. She's 2 minutes away. Yeah. They would have just waited 2 more minutes. So you never know when God's going to call you home. I might have to do something about her and that barking. You know, one time I did buy one of those collars. I'm telling you, I'm looking out and stuff. But while she's barking, I bought her one of those collars. And what she do? Probably 15 minutes later, she pulled it off and chewed it and ate it. No more stories for me. Save for the next video. That dog. It's my neighbor messing with her. I'm all saucy. Yeah, so I'm doing this video early to get it out tonight. That's a good thing. I just changed my shirt. If this thing stains, you can't tell it. The shirt I had on, it would have ruined it. Oh, man, I ordered so much food. It's a good thing I got kids to help eat it. That's just the one. I just make sure my face is clean. I've been noticing videos. Y'all need to yell at me and tell me, look, you got something on your face. Look, you got something stuck in your teeth. Alright, chicken wings are gone. I'm gonna save the blue cheese. Don't know why I need the blue cheese with all that barbecue sauce. But hey, that was delicious. It's all delicious. I would definitely go back for the garlic knots and the wings. Oh, these other are delicious too. But, those wings and knots, man, they got me hooked. I wish pizza sold wings. All right. I'm gonna put this back in my box. Might eat that later. I'm gonna try to work on this deconstructed pizza is what I'm gonna call this. Deconstructed pizza that I really like. This is very good for people who have allergies to gluten. I think this is why they probably made it. And for me, like I said before, man, I wish I could got some. Well, let me tell you what. There I am. I'm still my thing on my shirt. Real quick. I had 3 to choose from. This one, a vegetarian. I just want with chicken or something. Or you had option of creatures. Well, let me tell you, when I created my own, and it came with $29, I'm not paying $29 or something like that. This was like $10. It was like $2 for mushrooms, $2 for olives. You know, all this, and it's like they should have a Supreme one. Okay. I'm gonna get one of these knocked out. Finish this. Eat them out. Put this in this box. Ashley gets off work in an hour. And then wants to us. He may sneak his girlfriend in again. My mother said her virus protection was out. So I got Googled, what's the best virus protection? So, ordered from Amazon. Comes in yesterday. I go to his room, open up his room, say, hey, you need to go put this on your grandmother's computer. And he's got the door locked. But you know what that means. So I hear her in there laughing. Giggling. And he jumps up and opens the door. He said, oh, what you need? He did have his clothes on. I don't know about her because he stepped up the door and closed the door. I said, well, you need to leave your little girl, a friend alone for 5-10 minutes to go put this on your grandmother's computer. So he comes in there. And puts it on. Man. I don't know if it's a sausage or the pepperoni in here. He's got a little kick to it. A little water first. That's what I'm looking at. If you're asking me what I'm looking at, thinking, what's she looking at? I'm looking at that. Oh, that dog just gets on my nerves. Oh, let's go right now. I was trying to figure out what this box is, huh? I stayed up all night watching my videos. Oh, and I watched a lot of John Pappas too. And giving the doggy a bath. Taking the doggy to Starbucks. I just love the ones with the doggy. I just hope they both went quick. If you go over Stephanie's YouTube, she'll tell you what his last words were to his wife. It's hard. And I'm gonna tell you, there's a lot of videos on there from people overseas that just made up a bunch of lies. Don't watch those videos. If you want to get the truth, go to Stephanie Pappas. It's a shame people take advantage of people dying. You know, You got people harassing you all the time, wanting this, and that from India. Now I see a bunch of them on YouTube spreading much lies. Well, I know the family grieving. But it's so nice. They have all those videos. They can watch. That's one reason I do these videos. I explained. That's where I'm going. Why I do these videos. I've almost finished my water. Y'all had drink y'all's water today? It's delicious with food. Okay. Man, I think they've got me hooked on something that I don't need. It's delicious, but Lord, I hope my arteries ain't clogging up. Oh well, it's for a good cause. That is. Okay. I'm gonna save that for later. Three, 4. Right now, I got these left for my family. I'm gonna have that left for another meal or snack. Then I have my thing there. And the other half. I didn't know they were gonna be so big. That's a good deal for $6. I've seen their commercials. But I've never eaten it before. Didn't that guy from Papa John's get in trouble? He used to do this commercials all the time. Or something. He always kind of looked like he was no good to me. That's kind of the reason I never ate there. That guy from Jared from Subway 10. Never ate there. He just looked like he was no good. Okay, well, let's get off talking about them. And, yeah, say a prayer for the family. They need it. And, I've been praying for them since I heard the news. So, let me go before I start crying, because y'all know how I love to cry. So, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.